Hello, I'm Dr. Priscilla. I am the CEO and founder of Speak Excellent English. If you are watching this video, it is for me to help you develop your pronunciation skills. The whole purpose is for you to listen and pronounce the words clearly so that when you're reading more academic words or text, the endings of the word will sound better. I'm going to share my screen. The book that we're going to look at is We Like to Share. We like to share. The SH sound is what I'm focusing on right now. Share. We like to share. 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 And this looks like A-R-E, but it's pronounced like air. We like to share. We like to share. Okay? We like to play. Just repeat what you hear me say. We like to play. We play at school. We play at school. You should hear the sounds of the words that I'm using. We play at school. At. We play at school. We like to share. 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 We like to share. We share at school. Here we have the sound sku, 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 ool, sku, sku, ool, school. We like to share. We share at school. Who likes to jump rope? Who likes, it has a Z sound, to jump rope, rope, rope. Who likes to jump rope? Rosa does, the Z sound. Rosa does. It's the Z sound. Z. Rosa does. Jump, jump, rope. Who likes to jump rope? Rosa does. Raj does too. Raj does too. We can share, says Rosa. 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 Raj does too. We can share, says Rosa. Who likes to play play ball? Raj does. Who likes to play ball? Raj does. Okay, I'll stop there. practice those sounds, and we'll talk in the next class. Thank you. That takes us to the end of that practice session. Bye-bye.